4893. What should be the indication on the magnetic compass as you roll into a standard rate turn to the left from a west heading in the Northern Hemisphere? A. The compass will initially indicate a turn to the right. B. The compass will remain on west for a short time, then gradually catch up to the magnetic heading of the aircraft. C. The compass will indicate the approximate correct magnetic heading if the roll into the turn is smooth. The correct answer is C. While entering a turn to the north or south, while traveling east or west, there is no obvious fault. 4894. What should be the indication on the magnetic compass as you roll into a standard rate turn to the left from a north heading in the Northern Hemisphere? A. The compass will indicate a turn to the left, but at a faster rate than is actually occurring. B. The compass will initially indicate a turn to the right. C. The compass will remain on north for a short time, then gradually catch up to the magnetic heading of the aircraft. The correct answer is B. When an aircraft rolls into a standard rate turn to the left from a north heading in the Northern Hemisphere, the magnetic compass will initially indicate a turn to the right. This is because the magnetic compass is affected by the Earth's magnetic field. When the aircraft banks to the left, the compass will be pulled to the right. The compass will continue to indicate a turn to the right until the aircraft has reached a constant rate of turn. Once the aircraft has reached a constant rate of turn, the compass will begin to indicate the correct magnetic heading. The compass error is caused by the Earth's magnetic field. The Earth's magnetic field is not aligned with the Earth's axis of rotation. This means that the magnetic field is tilted at an angle. The angle of tilt varies with latitude. In the Northern Hemisphere, the magnetic field is tilted towards the north. This means that the compass will be pulled to the right when the aircraft banks to the left. The compass error is also affected by the aircraft's speed. The faster the aircraft is flying, the greater the compass error will be. This is because the faster the aircraft is flying, the more the magnetic field will be distorted. The compass error can be corrected by using a magnetic compass deviation card. The deviation card is a chart that shows the amount of compass error for different headings and speeds. The deviation card is used to adjust the compass so that it indicates the correct heading. 4979. The primary flight display, PFD, receives attitude and heading data from the A. AHRS, B. Vacuum system, C. Pitot-static system. The correct answer is A. The AHRS, Attitude and Heading Reference System, is a system that provides attitude and heading information to the PFD. The AHRS uses a combination of sensors, including accelerometers, gyroscopes, and magnetometers, to determine the aircraft's attitude and heading. The vacuum system is used to provide power to the PFD's displays. The vacuum system uses a vacuum pump to create a vacuum, which is then used to drive the displays. The pitot-static system is used to provide airspeed and altitude information to the PFD. The pitot-static system uses a pitot tube and static ports to measure the airspeed and altitude of the aircraft. The PFD receives attitude and heading data from the AHRS. The AHRS is a more accurate source of attitude and heading information than the vacuum system or the pitot-static system. 4988. Each person operating an aircraft equipped with ADS, B out must operate this equipment. A. In transmit mode at all times. B. When on an IF or flight plan. C. When on AVF or flight plan. The correct answer is A. According to the FAA, each person operating an aircraft equipped with ADS, B out must operate this equipment in transmit mode at all times, unless otherwise authorized by ATC. This includes both IFR and VFR flights. ADS, B out is a surveillance technology that broadcasts an aircraft's position, altitude, and velocity to air traffic control and other aircraft. This information is used to improve situational awareness and safety in the airspace. ADS, B out is required for all aircraft operating in certain airspace, including Class A, B, C, and D airspace. It is also required for all aircraft operating in Class E airspace above 10,000 feet MSL. Aircraft that are not equipped with ADS (BOut) may be subject to flight restrictions or may not be allowed to operate in certain airspace. 4821. If both the ram air input and drain hole of the pitot system are blocked, what airspeed indication can be expected? A. Increase of indicated airspeed during a climb. B. Decrease of indicated airspeed during a climb. C. Constant indicated airspeed during any change in altitude. The correct answer is A. The pressure is trapped in the system if ice completely blocks the ram air input and drain hole, and the airspeed indicator may behave like an altimeter. 1. Even when actual airspeed is changed significantly by power changes while flying level, the airspeed indicator will remain constant. 2. The airspeed indicator will rise as you climb. 3. The airspeed indicator will drop off as you descend.